Welcome to Rochester Sensors, where innovation meets precision. We're proud to open our doors and showcase our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Quality is our cornerstone. Our dedicated team of experts ensures every product meets the highest standards, using rigorous testing and inspection processes. We're equipped to handle your demands. Our efficient workflows and advanced automation ensure on-time delivery, every time. Innovation is our driving force. We embrace cutting-edge technology to streamline our processes and deliver superior products. Our skilled workforce is our greatest asset. We invest in continuous training and development to empower our team and foster a culture of excellence. Safety is paramount. We maintain a secure and compliant workplace, prioritizing the well-being of our employees and the environment.